What is up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to draw the Abuse Crew logo, guys. Lots of you have been asking this, so let's do this. I'm in my favorite painting program today, Paint. So first you're gonna go to brushes and you're going to select this one, guys. Then you're going to draw a circle. That perfect, guys. And then gonna pick this gold color. Not really yellow, but not really orange, you know. Then you press the bucket tool. Then you go BAM, guys. And then we have to draw the eyes, because he's laughing, because that's what you should do every freaking video, guys. Look at this, and then it goes, and then we fill in the mouth with red. Boom, guys. And then we go back to brush, and then we go white, because we have to add the teeth, guys. Boom, bam. Oh my god, guys. And then we add the tears, because it's so funny. It's crying, guys. It's happy tears, it's not sad, guys. Look at that. And then we fill it in. Boom. And then we gotta add, this is where most people don't realize it, we gotta add the shiny part, guys, so it looks realistic. We also gotta add some eyebrows, like wait, yes, we can even do this if we want. We could copy this one. This is an artist trick, not many people know. We press Control C, guys, and then we press Control V.